Today we're going to be reviewing the Mirror dash cam. Here's what comes in the box. 12-inch anti-glare mirror. Very nice and big with a 4K camera right there. The GPS, lighter, cigarette lighter power. Rear view camera with the mount. And this camera is 2.5K. The mirror is 4K, the camera is 2.5. Glue with felt to mount the camera on the car. And the user manual. It's a pretty big mirror, as you can see. It's 12 inches. It's pretty big. It's voice control. It's touchscreen. God forbid you have a accident. It has crash detection. Has night vision. It's full of features. You can also stream from your phone to the mirror. You can put a SD card so you got more memory. Right now it has a 32 gig. It has a mini SD card that you can add more memory. USB Type-C. That's going to be connected to your cigarette lighter. It has the ports here. USB Type-C. It has GPS and the AV in for the connection. It has extended warranty from 12 to 36 months. You just have to activate it. You just turn it on. As you can see, you're gonna see my face, but look, that's how good it looks. Turn it on by mistake, but it tells you right there the time and the date. And it records 25 seconds, and then it shows stuff. You swipe up, you get the menu. You can take photos. You can do the Wi-Fi, files, the settings for the car. You can customize it every however you want. So let's go install it and see how it looks. Already took it out. You see it. You fasten it. Come around. Up top, on the bottom, and that's it to install it. It's nice and steady. Alright guys, so I installed it. You can see front, back. You can see them both at once. You swipe, you can see the front. I don't know if you can see it there. And back. It's hard because it's a mirror, so hopefully you can see it. Or you can have both view at once. You do have to run the cables. I didn't install it all the way, but I am going to. This is just for the review, but it has a long cable for the review. I just installed it so I can do the review, but it's a long cable that you can run through the side of your car all the way to the back. And this unit too comes with a GPS, so you can install this on the top, run the cable, and put the GPS somewhere that it's not visible, so it works with your maps and stuff. You can track it if you don't have it. It is very bright. You can see. I don't know. It's not gonna. This video is not gonna do justice for it because you can't see the quality due to being so bright outside. But it is, you can see it really good from with your eyes, or with your view. You can see it really good. It records your first minute always, and you can access. You can take a photo. If anything, you see something that you want to take a photo, you can click here. It makes a sound so you know you took a photo. You can stop the recording by pressing that button. This button, or you can keep or record with it. Files, if you need to get a file that something happened, you want a file, the files are there. Lock files that you don't want them to see, or you can delete it. and then the photos that you take, all the photos are there. Here, when you're recording, you start recording correct, and then you hit the lock button. So it records in yellow. That means that it's recording and that can't be deleted from the SD card unless you're doing the computer. Quality is 4K video to the front, 2.5K to the back. If you can tell, it gives you the time, the day, and everything in there. I don't know if you can see, oh yeah, right there. Tell you the battery on top. I have it charging right now on the memory card, microphone zone, and I'm parked, so it tells you that you're parking. Let me take this off, stop recording. So it's pretty big too. The actual mirror covers my original one, and mine is pretty thick. So you have those rubber bands that you can put on top, and they are very secure. So if you're looking for a mirror that is gonna go over your existing mirror, and it's pretty big, and the quality of the video is really good, and you can record while driving. If you have a backup camera already, you don't have to put the backup camera, so you can put it anywhere else. GPS, it's very well priced, very easy to install. You just run the cables through the vehicle and install the cam in the back, and it does bring some padding with a 3M that you can stick to pry open any plastic that you take, and it brings 2 little rubber bands that you can use if your mirror is a lot thinner than mine. So I hope this review helped, and thank you for watching.